Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 141 of Surah Ali Imran and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وليمحص الله الذين آمنوا ويمحق الكافرين. For wow, circular lips for fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short. Li for kasra, give E sound. And lam is very short. You for dhamma, circle your lips and keep ya very light. You are lifting your tongue up towards your palate, but you are not touching it. So there is the ya is very soft. You, wali, you, all these three are short. Mah. As soon meme is attached with ha, I will get sifa of wait. Sifa of Rakhawa, the sound should flow. The sound of ha should flow, and there should be a nice misty sound. Math. For fatha of meme, open your jaws, and as soon you'll touch ra, ha, give Rakhawa, math, and then kasra is very short. For fatha, open your jaws, ha is heavy, and lafz jalala is heavy because you can find fatha before it. So Sod is heavy and lafz jalala is heavy. Who is short. Sorry, who is attached with lam. Hulla, ha is light and lam is also light. Hulla. For fatha, open your jaws and the sound is very short. Hulla. The is 2 counts long. Na, short. Hamza is very sharp from your throat. The makhraj cuts off the flow of sound and it is 2 counts long. Hamza is sharp, but the mud is from your jawf and it takes time to pronounce and it takes 2 counts long. Ma is short. No for the circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Again, yeah is very soft. Yeah, and then give tawassut on meme. Ha from your throat. For fatha, open your jaws. Qal. Qaf is heavy, lam is light. And for fatha, open your jaws, attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Qal. Ka is 2 counts long without hums. Fi for kasra, give E sound and give a very nice hums in fa. Reen 4 counts long and there will be tawassut at the end. وَلِيُمَحِّصَ اللَّهُ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَيَمْحَقَ الْكَافِرِينَ. Hamza is sharp. Give the wasut on meme. Ha from your throat. The sound is short. For fatha, the sound is very short, but before that, you are giving that misty sound. Ha, and then complete fatha. Ha, sib. For kasra, give E sound. Give qalqala on ba. Sib. Tum for the circle your lips. Attach with meme. You will get sifa of the wasut. This is idgham. Idgham with gunna. This is light idgham because ta is among light letters. So keep your tongue straight and it should be like this. Tad. Ta is very sharp. Attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala. Tad. Khu. Kha is heavy for the circular lips. The sound is very short. Khu. Lul for the circular lips. Said with lam. Lam will get sifa after wasut. Lul. Jan for fatha, open your jaws, attach with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna, and this is akmal gunna. So give a nice time for gunna. Then when you are attaching jim with noon, here the gunna is being applied, but fatha is very short. Na short. Jannati This is gunna, longer gunna. Fatha is short. Na, ta, jannata, wa. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Lam. Lam is attached with meme. Give a nice long gunna because this is akmal gunna. Lam. And then the sound is also long because this is mad asli. Ma. Yeah. Keep ya light attached with la. Ain will get sifa off. Tawassut. Yeah. La. Mil. Me. For kasra give e sound. Attached with lam. Lafz jalala will be light because you can see kasra before it. Milla. It is by default. It is always 2 counts long. Hul. Ha is light and lam is light. Hul. Hul. Give tawassut on lam. Fatha is very short. La, the 2 counts long. Na, short. Ja, 2 counts long. And there shouldn't be any ch sound in jim. Ja, ha is short. Do, 2 counts long. Ning, this is ikhfa with kaf. So the sound should be like ink as you are about to say ink. Ming, ming, kum for the circular lips. Attach it me will get sifat tawassut. And this is ikhfa. And you are keeping the sound in your nose very nicely. Minkum. Wa. For wow, circle your lips. For the open your jaws. Yeah, it's very soft. And for fatha, open your jaws. Attach it to ain. Ain will get sifa off. Tawassut. Yeah, there shouldn't be any fluctuation in giving tawassut because if you will fluctuate the sound, it will seem like you are giving qalqala. No, it's not qalqala, it's tawassut. It goes in one flow. Yeah. La is short. Mas. Meme is light. Sod is heavy. Mas. And when you are attaching meme with sod, here the rukhawa will be applied. Mas. And there should be safi, there should be rukhawa, and sod will be heavy. Mas. So, and then it is 2 counts long too because this is mad asli. So, b for kasra give e sound. Reen, ra will be light and it will be 4 counts long and give the wasut at the end because you are giving sukoon on noon. Wa for wow, circle your lips, fata, open your jaws. La short. Qad, qaf is heavy, give qalqala on dal. Qad, kum for dhamma, circle your lips. But as soon you will engage ikhfa, your lips should be in a straight position and your sound should go in your nose very nicely. Kum, tum for the circle your lips. Attach with me will get sifa of the wasuts. Ta, short and very sharp. There is no hums whatsoever. The sound is very sharp and cuts away right there and then. Ta, man. Meme is attached with noon. Here you will apply a gunna and this is akmal gunna. So give a nice time here. Man. And then it is 2 counts long too because this is lean. Now this is wow lean. Now, nal. Give tawassut on lam. But fatha of noon will be short. Nal, mau. Mau is 2 counts long and it is lean. Ta, short. Ming. This is ikhfa and this is heavy ikhfa. So you are keeping sound in your nose. You are not pronouncing noon and going towards the makhraj of qaf. Min qab. For fatha, open your jaws, attach it to ba. Ba will get sifa of qalqala. Li for kasra, give e sound and very short. And this is ikhfa and light ikhfa. And ikhfa with ta is little different. So copy my voice, what I say. And tell. Ta is very sharp and clear. And give the wasut on lam. Tell. Qaw. Qaf is heavy for fatha, open your jaws, attach with wow. And it is 2 counts long because this is lean. Hu for the circle your lips. The sound is very short. F. Give very nice hums on fa. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short with fatha. But before fatha, you are giving hums. So give nice hums. F. Qad. Qaf is heavy for fatha open your jaws, attach it dal, dal with that get sifa of qalqala. Qad, keep dal light. Only qaf is heavy. Only qaf is heavy. Qad, ra is heavy. I, it is 2 counts long, but the sound of hamza should be very sharp, and it should be heard like this is sharp. I, two is very sharp, and for dhamma circular lips, the sound is very short. Two, mu is 2 counts long, and circular lips. Hu, the sound is short. Uwa for wow circular lips. For fatha open your jaws. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha open your jaws, but as soon you will touch ikhfa, your lips should be in a straight position, and this is ikhfa with ta. So listen how I do it. Keep your tongue straight. Tum for the circular lips. Give the wasut on meme. Ta, ta is very sharp, and this ikhfa is heavy because dha is among heavy letters. So tung, tung, wu for the circular lips. The sound is short. Urun, ra will be heavy, 4 counts long, and give the wasut at the end because you are giving sukoon, temporary sukoon. وَلَقَدْ كُنْتُمْ تَمَنَّوْنَ الْمَوْتَ مِنْ قَبْلِ أَنْ تَلْقَوْهُ فَقَدْ رَأَيْتُمُوهُ وَأَنْتُمْ تَنْظُرُونَ وأنتم تنظرون وما محمد إلا رسول قد خلت من قبله الرسل أفإن مات أو قتلا انقلبتم على أعقابكم فمن ينقلب على عقبيه فلن يضر الله شيئا وَسَيَجْزِي اللَّهُ الشَّاكِرِينَ. For wow, circular lip. For fatha, open your jaws. Ma, 2 counts long. Mu, for the ma, circle your lips. Ham, give nice misty sound. For fatha, open your jaws and attach with meme. When you are attaching ha with meme, there is the place where you will apply gunna. And this is akmal gunna, so give nice sound. Fatha is very short. Ma, dun. This is idhar, so give the wasut. Il, hamza is very short, sharp, and attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Il, and then it is 2 counts long. La, 2 counts long. Ra, ra is heavy for fatha open your jaws, but the sound is very short. Ra, su for the circular lips, and it is 2 counts long. Lung, ikhfa, and heavy ikhfa. You are circling lips only for lam, but as you will engage to pronounce ikhfa, then your lips should be in a straight position. Lung, this is heavy ikhfa. Lung, qad for fatha open your jaws. Qaf is heavy. Attach with dal. Dal will get sifa qalqala. Qad, kha is heavy, but the sound is very short. Open your jaws for fatha. Let's for fatha open your jaws. Attach it ta. Ta will get sifa of hums. Let's mim. This is again ikhfa, but heavy ikhfa. So you are keeping the sound in your nose. You are lifting your tongue up to make this ikhfa heavy, and you're keeping the sound in your nose. Min qab. Qaf is heavy for fatha open jaws. Attach it ba. Ba will get sifa of qalqala. Qab li for kasra, give e sound. Here. Ha is like, for kasra give E sound, but Ra is heavy here. And give tawassut on Ra here. And then Uru. Uru is very short and heavy. Sul, for Dhamma, circle your lips. As the sound is short, but as soon you will touch Lam, your lips should be in a straight position and give tawassut, because you are giving a temporary sukoon here. Sul. Min qablihi rusul. A, very sharp, short. Proper top on your jaws. Fa, give hums, very nice hums. Proper top on your jaws. Im, can you see this as a small circle? So you are not pronouncing ya. Im, for kasra, give E sound and attach with mim. You will wonder why this ya is here. Then if we are not pronouncing it. Do you know that this Mus'haf Usmani has gathered all the sab'a qira'at? Sab'a qira'at. So you are just uh, learning uh, the one qira'ah. So inshallah, when you will learn other qira'at, inshallah, you will learn to know how you will deal with it. Subhanallah, it's beautiful. Our Quran is beautiful. Its ilm is beautiful, and it's so vast. You step into it, and you feel that you are still in. You're still not getting anything. Subhanallah, like there are so many other things to learn. There are so much to learn, because this is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's kalam, because this is vast. This is something azim. So whenever you learn something, you always feel you are like you know nothing. You learn more, you know nothing, because this is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's kalam. You cannot find the boundaries. You cannot see the boundary. It's unlimited. It's subhanallah. Its ilm is vast, and it's the way you and when you come to learn, it's so beautiful. But still, you see that you feel like you know nothing. There is so much to know. There is so much to know. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us ilm nafi'. Wow, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala really accept us in the service of this Quran and service of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Really, it's amazing. It's amazing what Quran is. We cannot define the beauty of Quran in our words. Afa, im, focus, give E sound attached with meme, and meme there is gunna, akmal gunna. So give a nice time here. Im, ma is 2 counts long. Ta, very sharp and short sound. For fatha, open your jaws. Afa immata. Ow, hamza is very sharp. And it is 2 counts long because this is lean. Ooh, cough, for heavy cough, lift your tongue up. And for dhamma, circle your lips, but the sound is very short. Ooh, ti. For kasra, give E sound, very sharp sound. Ooh, ti. Dang. قلبتم. إخفاء and heavy إخفاء. So you're keeping the sound very heavy. أو قتلا. qa is very sharp. Qaf is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws. Lab, for fatha, open your jaws. Attach it ba. Ba will get sifa of qalqala. Lab. Tum, for the circle your lips. Attach it mim. Mim will get sifa of the wasud. And for fatha, open your jaws. La, 4 counts long. And as I have explained that Lafz Jalala lam is sometimes heavy and light. Other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, all lams are tarqiq. They are all light. Ala, 4 counts long. For fatha, open your jaws. Hamza is very sharp, attached with ain. Ain will get sifa of tawassut. Qa is 2 counts long. B for kasra, give E sound. For dhamma, circle your lips. Kum, and give tawassut on mim. As soon you will touch mim, your lips should be in a straight position. Kum. Wa for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. May. This will be idgham with gunna. So you're keeping the sound in your nose for a longer time. So idgham and noon and mim with tashdid gets akmal gunna. The most highest level of gunna are there in idgham. So give a nice time here. وَمَن and this is ikhfa here. After noon sakin there is qaf. So this ikhfa is heavy because qaf is heavy. Yang qa is heavy. And for fatha, open your jaws, the sound is very short. Libe for kasra, give E sound attached with ba. Ba will get sifa of qalqala. Libe. Ain from your throat. Lam is 2 counts long and keep it light. Ala. And for fatha, open your jaws, the sound is very short. Qi for kasra, give E sound. Bay 2 counts long because this is lean. He very short sound. Fa give hums, nice hums on fa. For fatha, open your jaws, the sound is very short. Lay. This is idgham with gunna. Lay, keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Yeah, when you're saying yeah, your sound should be very soft. For fatha, open your jaws, the sound is very short. Yeah, dur. For dhamma, circle your lips. Dad is heavy, but as soon you will touch ra, the first ra is with sukoon and it will get rakhawa. And it will be heavy because you can see fatha here. But when you will leave dot, which was with dhamma, you were circling your lips here. But as you will touch ra, first ra, your lips should be in a straight position, but it will be heavy. And then complete with fatha, and it is attached with ra, roha, dur, roha. So I'm repeating. When you are pronouncing dot, your lips should be in a straight position, circle position. When you will attach with ra, your lips should be in a straight position first, and then second fatha will be with second ra will be with fatha. So open your jaws. But it will be heavy throughout the time. First ra and second ra, both will be heavy because there is fatha on the tongue. Ha is short. Shay'a, 2 counts long because this is lean. Mada 2 counts long. For fatha, open your jaws, the sound is very short. Yeah, it's very soft. For fatha, open your jaws, jim will get sifa of qalqala. Zil for kasra, give E sound, and lafz jalala will be light because there is kasra before it. Zilla, and it will be 2 counts long. Whoosh for the circular lips, attached with jim. Sheen will get sifa of rakhawa and tafashi, and that is light. Whoosh. Yeah. When you are attaching ha with sheen, this there you will apply rakhawa and tafashi. And when you are saying mad, it is 2 counts long. Shaki for kasra, give E sound, and there is no hums whatsoever. Kirin, raw will be light and will be 4 counts long, and give the wasut on noon because you are giving sukoon, temporary sukoon on noon. Subhanakallahumma rabbana wa bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.